Guys, this video is quickly to show you how to download the CR extract in Bahrain. So it's quite simple. You have to go to your Sijilat, login or no login, but it is a public service. So you just have to search CR. I'll click on the search CR. Now they have changed the panel. Before it was not like that. So I think they are upgrading the website or something like that. What I'll do is I'll search my CR. Okay, because there is no column of finding CR extract in the public services nowhere. So here, when you get your CR, you just click on the CR. Okay, and here you have all the details, and I think this can be downloaded by anybody. Okay, we have all the details over here, and here we have e-certificate, and here we have CR extract. So we just click on the CR extract and it gets downloaded. So this was a quick video to show you how you can download your CR extract. If I go by any random CR, I just want to check. I'm not, if I want to say I go 1 1. Okay, I'm just putting a random number. So this comes okay, deleted by law. It comes like that. But if I'll go, I'll see. I just want to see whether we can download it or not. Okay, so here we have it. The details we have it, but because maybe it is deleted, then we cannot see the. Let me try once again. I'm just trying to see if I can download any random. Okay, again it's deleted by law. Then by 4, and then go by 6. Most of the CRs are deleted by law, and it's deleted by law. Then we go by 8. It's quite surprising to see that most of the CRs they are getting deleted. Anyways, point as I have demonstrated, I cannot go on and on. That how you can download the CR extract. If I can find any random, maybe any which is not deleted, I don't know how these. Yeah, okay, this is active. Let's check. Okay, so we have the number, but I'm not able to see the download button. So maybe you have to log into your, Sijilat to download because I was able to download mine. The procedure is the same. Okay. So if I'll go and check mine, I'm getting the button to download it. Maybe because it belongs to me. So it's not a public service, maybe. You have to, okay. So if I'll go on mine, yeah. So you need to log in and you need to have your CR attached to your Sigilat, then only you can download it. But this is the whole procedure.